Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to keep your office running smoothly and your prints looking sharp. The Junnchee 652A 653A toner cartridges. This is a 4-pack replacement set, including the 652A black toner and the 653A cyan, yellow, and magenta cartridges, designed to be a direct swap for your original HP toners. For those utilizing HP Color Enterprise M651DN, M651N, M651XH, M680 MFP M680DN, M680F, M680Z, or the 600 color MFP M675 printers, this set is specifically engineered for compatibility. It's always crucial to double-check your printer model to ensure a perfect fit, and this Junnchee offering covers a significant range of these high-volume color laser printers. One of the most compelling aspects of this toner set is its impressive yield. The 652A black cartridge is rated for an astounding 11,500 pages, while each of the 653A color cartridges, cyan, yellow, and magenta, boasts an even higher yield of 16,500 pages. For businesses or individuals with substantial printing needs, these numbers translate directly into fewer cartridge changes and potentially significant cost savings over time. This high yield makes it an incredibly efficient choice for environments where consistent, large-volume printing is the norm. Beyond just quantity, the quality of the prints is paramount, and Junnchee claims excellent performance. The cartridges are equipped with advanced chip technology, which is vital for seamless communication with your printer, ensuring accurate toner levels and consistent output. Users can expect to see sharp, crisp text that stands out on the page, alongside vivid, true-to-life graphics. Whether it's detailed reports, vibrant marketing materials, or everyday documents, the goal is to deliver professional-grade results every time. The convenience of a 4-pack means that all your essential colors are covered, providing a complete solution right out of the box. The total weight of the package, at 5.46 kilograms, gives a sense of the substantial amount of toner included, reinforcing the high-yield promise. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance, and cost-effective alternative to OEM cartridges for their compatible HP color laser printer, the Junnchee 652A 653A toner set presents itself as a very strong contender. It aims to provide the perfect balance of longevity, print quality, and value, making it an attractive option for maintaining productivity without compromising on output.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.